How to add a bank account to Deel. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to Deel. This is a great way to get paid for your work, and it's easy to do. What is Deel? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Deel is. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy for companies to hire and pay employees from anywhere in the world. Deel provides a range of services, including payroll, benefits, and compliance. Why use Deel? There are a number of reasons why you might want to use Deel. Here are a few of the benefits. Easy to set up and use. Deel is a very user-friendly platform. It's easy to create an account and add your bank account information. Global reach. Deel supports over 150 countries and currencies. This means that you can get paid no matter where you live or work. Competitive fees. Deel offers competitive fees for its services. Excellent customer support. Deel has a team of experienced customer support representatives who are always ready to help. How to add a bank account to Deel. Now that we know what Deel is and why you might want to use it, let's get started with adding a bank account. Log in to your Deel account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Click on the Settings tab. Select Bank Accounts from the left-hand menu. Click on the Add Bank Account button. Enter your bank name, account number, and routing number. Click on the Save button. Once you have added your bank account, you can start receiving payments from Deel. Deel will typically pay you within 2 to 3 business days. Additional tips. If you are adding a bank account from outside of the United States, you will need to provide additional information, such as your bank's SWIFT code. You can add up to 5 bank accounts to your Deel account. You can view your payment history and download bank statements from the Payments tab. Adding a bank account to Deel is a simple process that can help you get paid for your work more easily. If you are looking for a global payroll and HR platform, I highly recommend Deel. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.